Pankrono Onyi Roman Hill Magazine Road Fumesa Adesima Prayer was 0271409340 0271409340 and 0579792712. We are committed to help our customers. Olivia, now what to say? Dibia boko there. And no pay any feature life for to change more. Olivia Tracy, now what they have repair food and beauty food. If we are the aka who be answer or the better menu. Mammy, you are not permit of.
You share a tear for you. It's a future life for Baha, and they were Dutching and a boy more home by. Dutching and Yankupon the Mound, and a sober home by, and you'll be an answer ever. We didn't know Uncle Ford a wanker. Now, I dare Miss repair food in India, can be so be a chassis a dibine. If you say sciatica not dorsal. So, Unina, a dear in a problem. Now, I repair food winner, Cassano. Now, if I saw an uncle community more, now I fought to us also, and now so this. Then tonight a day. Now, Mazzle's singing at me a day, as Timmy say, Unina. It will have where or say a joint and bone health. Just say, what ponoson no one can say, and Unina, it's me. So when it dear, and now Unina, it is sad way Boama, Utimi Jinasuye. It is now I must add an end to one sana. What could repair food, you know? It's repair food in the idea, the he flew Unipedri and an hour ponosono. And I'm going to hear not a wow and money and I said, the air son and a besho. And then the paper bracka them free sad away. A bico to dread untimin nante, Nabeti untimin pejana and say it is tea. Didn't say what ponosono.
Olivia will be one humano so my here between National Command. Hello, good morning. Hello.
Me koya na otira me no me ye ne nrodie o ma mi bi azu hu mi a hu se ni gina me na so pa
gina na so nyame ase mfia dioso na kasa te se abofra no ahoden aba oli to aso
na say o hwe repair food ni de o se uvi mo twipa na repair food ni siesie wapo no so no
oni ma de ma mi bi frɛ me se Yesini Gregory no Awe ye mama say go tie mi a ko future life wati
na nhwe ma
me bompae ma no de na nso so honam ani no
yeah
mama bibia kama
enti wo ba e kira exercise so obey na madam bi o kasa e oba e na obutu fom pa na no e yesi fom na mi hunu no chese mi se wa gya adwuma de dada mi hunu no chese bi she yakopon ne monyam yakopon ya de e na beauty food no so e marry de kama beauty comes from within so nipadua bia wu nyina na collagen wo mu ma honam gina so nyina na ekofom enti se we wudi a o se 28 days wa wrinkles kura wa nim nyina be pepa enti e marry de na kama enti wudi aduane na wo mene na esiesio enti ntina ho nyare ansa anase bibi nya wa ansa na oba future life ya so yo wa pressure diabetes me se yare anya japade no wa prafa bra ya so yo e beboa e be sese waduane die enuane na ye di no emwa nipadua no enti uba ha ho de etuetu enuane ankasa na so ho towa American chem so person say di say enuane no na repair food na American de bia American wa say bi say wonai ene wonsa na ade kope bibi abafia bedi wo so akadem amani pa bebranya stroke mu hu fi say muscles ni nyina timi ye denden de wuntimi nkotokra afa na etwitwi na eye say afa na wachika say ni biebie wo hu na asa wonsa ye otitiriti wo se me na me da so no ni nyina ye wo say muscles ni nyina ye den so enti na enti say repair food no siesie sa ne o mani nyina enti de ese na say wo nyina na ese no na we ni siesie no e ma ready e kra fefefe e ma body ni fefefe no say de repair food aka ho enti da bia meka se mema yi na hwe ya no chechecheche no na mema na de bi di o munya e ha madwene pa prostate problem e no behu na pipe da ne be mamu ubehu osimu kekame ubehu na yesa ma prostate no be be o prostate na de enti na ye de no kwa de timi cancerous infections na cause sa problem no enti ye woti nwanwaso bi wo ha eku sa amo ni nyina etu hu se bia ye wa brae ho bibia che ho na cancer de no ho agim and infections unya oba na obi be ma na obi enti mu mienu na ese mu treat sa de no enti wo nko ama enya oyira na oba ese otobi koma be ma no infections na ma prostate adults me ma na bebre me ma afomfon ahodin nim na atwikom ni nyina ye infections no bacteria na cause sa problem no and e ba sa so afi obense no wachi na ya ekọ kidneys no ho emoa no ya de a edi ni panya ebetima sɛ wani ebetima sɛ wo brain wo heart nyina ebetima sɛ no fi sɛ bacteria no omo double ntɛntɛntɛntɛm nkola na ekɔ school no ombefa abafie obi abenya bi ti na da bia ye bɔ kokɔ sɛ bra future life ya so ye udaache na ebo ho ama de ha obi a efi utisu kwa na wa problem o sisi no kotodwe no ba ye chere exercise ese wo ye entina fie na nsoma obi bra na ye nkyerɛ ye treat no for 1 month de ye obi a ne yakopon nam ye so ebejo nti bra so ye ho ye so full alignment so na wani kyerɛ pata ase no ɛhɔ ne ɛwɔ na sa repair food ni beautiful no ebi wɔ so ame ha ɛno de wɔ sarako ba boutique ho na after that ne de ho nko na obetime nya bi eti so mad de abra so ye ho ne sa ekuro bia me ka cho say cancer ana bibi che wo ho na cancer de no ho agim se unya ulcer no ahwe ho asem betima ka oliver bo se ne asi wachi umu ni nyina ya de ye wo ho ti nwanwaso bi wo ha eku sa mo ni nyina ye moa bacteria na aka omu etu ba ye beboa wa liver problem kidney problem bra ya so ye ho e be mo aduane adi ye kyerɛ kwan befa so abedidi so didi ya yare ntimi ntina wo mu enti ye de ni nyina ya aduane udi no na eboa ni padua no na eyi nyare wa fi wo mu empirima yare ntina wo mu enti bra ya so ye so full alignment your numbers ni 0246 01 another 01 50 0246 01 another 01 50 so full alignment or interchange so when ni kire patase no eho ne ewo entina na nsoma obi bra na yemo a na enchiro nuane obegya edi nuane bi wa wodi a emwo ni padua no enti ye bekyerɛw na wo ba so your 12 apostles bi wo ho a ya print ya go paper so oba e be chiro say also ko blend bi nanom and the stroke na dose nkola wo 26 years in enya stroke dia na ekoso yare ya first na ye mpanyifo na ye nkola nyina ni nyina free nuane na ye ni di ye ntia bra be penuane bi di ne bo anya di
FM
e bi 70 cedis na wo to aduane 70 cedis na se wo di ne na wo twe a eboa nkola na ekɔ school no na beautiful di repair food dem si bro nyan so opese okɔche obi bibi a wei na esa wo to kɔche no beautiful and also repair food na so toko che no na nipa kro na nya ahoden ne nkwa na wonso de na no ahira
bibia e kama
na nya ejapade na
yesawa
unipadua no hia che bibia
last hour
0246
01 50
ba ko ye 0242
87 80 90
0242 87 90 edi yakopon jamu nyina bi wa fija ase sunwane enkran ebi wo ba bia so ofre a
okay future life na mo ti o mo kan Olivia de Nasma baby now I'm going to say Honorable Muntaka Ufia the Triple M 2006 2005 no Bo Ram Rasebe Jeffie yeah the squad nipa be 6 and I contested. But he's the last man standing.
Yes.
And I'll pay any to change Komoka. Crowd about Kwaba.
I'm do so many.
Now, Swansea to say.
I was once a boko, Yamitimenti.
The Bia Boko.
I go so.
Medicain. Maybe a more honorable video. Or the photo be ma.
Yeah, Medica.
Na ya come here say ebi mo kura ya agina no asibone yentie no
Okra na ye dia pon yes mo mabunu a wo muka ye ho ba no wo be ko masem ntoko bi wo abato no den dura obi a sebio mi MP ma ba ya ba ko sebio wa chima wo mi fie wo so na ba ya ba ko president na ba ya ba ko Memma obi mbedada o say ye the ballot box papers be the man now dey agose obotum na wo go to ba ko a na we dey obotum na dey account na dey atum ye chiwa nipa na osuma no obeka so we wan suma obeka so we new ye na so ta ho say wo say na we ni o wo try wan ka so wa ba ko sem sebio me sorry ye na me akola bonia and get to Obama me say me be
common to man the biara da. Honorable, people have really praised you for asema wo catch Ghana mabunu. Ebia na say wo kana so asenko a. But it's really gone viral. And virtually almost all the station share a program as ya me hu senko for boss montie Muntaka Mubarak Futu. Na efako. Obu was I don't know how people see you, but Obu is that Muntaka talking? And I'm serious, that's Honorable Muntaka. Maybe Uhunu from afar. And then near the almost but he's a genuine person. Once again, Mwakwaba. Campaign Kose.
Oh, you go so. Say the me first akwa we tie for you na o ma mo tie na madomba amobo ma hene de bia mo sori anopa mo be yir mo ho a ebo man no echeche yo ma che nkofo de mo ye ni so ye e da masepa o campaign de egu so me de bia so ase me kase me ni bibia so o we de fala ana we de o ye we na ewie de bi me complacency enemy Obi a name bibia whether in parliament and bibia me obi ano. So me say me there I put in my everything. Into the campaign you go so. Say the I mean charge baby then anything ya na ye. Yeah wa we mo say the bibia ya me yema no. I feel me sure say crowd be yama na bro so.
You have been there, like I said, Kumasi could be on the last man standing. NDC, Asante Mantemha. Election 2024. Then Amoka, Muhuni say.
Well, Afui. Asante man, me say I'm to minti. NDC. You be whom you show. They be a me can cry. Yeah, you couldn't talk about a co-party paying for meeting. To the sense, hey, yes, NDC is stronghold. And the Mekapa Chama na yen to me, no. Ye prayer there, the Abakumazia. I am a modern seat. You say, men's say, don't talk about the seat. Sitting there, yes. Anka proportional representation, yeah. Anka Bon say a seat, no. We will never get less than 17 seats in a Sunday. But I now say, any proportional representation is a first past the poll. Into parliamentary, no, there, yes. But we Greater Accra to her. Region B, no, I mind this vote saying.
After Greater Accra,
yes.
Now.
Basically, check it consistently.
That's right.
Even time I now voted new Ebumukrano. You never batted. We Greater Accra.
Now NDC Asante was third.
Yes. And the chairman I utility man on his own.
Any voter
on his own.
Now I'm about second.
Yes.
Because the last election was 600, which is huge.
Check your
And you appreciated from 22 to 24%.
Yes. And you know, and you know, they be a catch it. Your committee, me do it. Say, look at them. But ultimately, oh, how? I said, check. Never know Google. I say, hey, are you sure this figure? I said, check. And sometimes say pre-BB say bia educated eba ye di Tafu market eba ye di Atonsu market ye di Aswansu market and bibia or mun to my say men kasa. Oh yeah, stronghold. Yes, it's stronger for MPP, but it's also a stronghold.
Okay.
So baby out to me over 600,000 votes. I met me a catch check it consistently in the last 20 years. There had never been a time I had less than 400,000.
Yeah.
We know a from Tongo. And I flew in so ya me aduma me say ya tutu yuma ye pa o man I dey be do and a day kwam say be yiri ho na ya manfo ina pia to omaba ebra ehu bia ni omo na kronobo no so yesi hu kwan
kronobo
oh me kai say me ni MPP general secretary o friends Joy FM me kai say kronobo so okay I say aye dey wi aba me say na mabo odi
Gase.
Me say kronobo.
Akuteni mira.
Me say kronobo. My boy MPP na MPP. We end this MPP nkwa na overlap so. Because we knew. Amani no omo boy aso omo bono menu.
Yamba so menu so many.
Me say esotro no agene tell. Yamba so omo hin police station. Nipa wo hina ya 100. Yakoto aba. MPP omanya omo need 55. NDC ya 25. Enti uka ne benu boma 80. Enti aka ne pa 20 na anto. Eja ya no ubehwe na omode no asasa from 55 no na beda 75. Ebesa 75 nesa uja ye de no 25 na ebe over voting. Enti also ye de no ya tire de no so na ye de no be 10. Na still there's still some gap behind just enko bi anto. Enti no ye de no yesa sebiu ye wia ye nkwa ho. Ye de no so. Na fiwe ya me aduma sa I can assure me uchi yankofo biblia untaka ye de betu na mbetuma bo ho ban ye show bia bo san ya metunti o vote ba ko no ye be bo ho ban we are protecting the last ballot na menjina bedwam ha embeka strategy be na ye de to akwan be that can bet you lupo so o hina ya metunti ye sele de mpaba ye bo an se nyame mfa ye nkwan kodu memenda no na ohwa special voting say yame aboa incident free na ohwe say the situtu enyuma yi polling station by polling station even the special vote nyoma e tutu yi ene e rehearsals na me show boss say da na nkasa bedu Saturday na from polling station to collation center ye de bibia tutu yi na me oroshemo say yame beboa ya ma ye hihye ya to yi because amanye I say Swansea. They be at the air can say me go count wa. Me pese me ko be breaking rules no bia. Be o man ne kura ni amenu. Say pa we wa adwen say.
Oh so be breaking rules na ma na tia me dia.
Who for pam na ko do be obo hu be ma.
Beto ne be ma.
Ene de wo asent memu ha. Yi na ye pasundwe. Ye wura. Otu ko so. Obi akwa o se monye mu bibia bro no na yi na yepe obi a no opese be kwa kwato aba be we se obi kura ya ba obi asom da bi entini na ne se ye na ndi mira no so emra na eda ho no me vote ye ba akọ o man hini your vote udi ye ba akọ sebiu ukuka wo fie o ne je se ba akọ ye wi nso a ye be kan ba akọ no na ye be kan. Why will you allow that? Send the police station not to tell you. Why would you allow that? And the process is best stop because police for won't stop. It is your civic responsibility to say best stop an illegality happen at the police station. And
you don't allow it to go and come and complain.
Masa, about on your 2 years, I said, ball I show you. I can say, na modi bibi about na ya show you Uber protest. O protest say dey ya show we sa na election akodu
the money is simple
na se bi abeye but ade ayi na e kan say yes o de hwe hwan mo na edu o mo call say o mo nchiche duan no omrante
nante na kwacha duan no
enti no e won ti say hey we say o bokwa kodu o na nkokrafo enti se bi en na meto because for no binua na me ye atodra sema anka ne me be gina MP no anka be play back na uswa no didn't pay for atem e bibia na wo na say ye one na beto ama and who di bi mechi me nanti e say wo e china enna me de bia wo hwe me Facebook aga wo de call say Hausa mu say English mu say me wiye me campaign bia na afuto na me de mamrant say memfa wo dache emfa exchange me ne because sebi de mimi de na say wo ntimi we bia wo kra obe ya ba na a chain de mimi bi kura de bia wo kra de obe president kura mai na de na wo di mimi MP am pese me dinti uko say wo echina because I don't see very clear. Won will be a yakotu nutu obi a oga say me dem soma no.
David obedi na okra.
Obeka say okra wo hu da. Obeka say wo hu da. Opa obeka ntama ye dende. Say yame ambo say bia wo record na bibia. Wo record obeka say doctored. And that na wo bre ho. Me dey make can say hey. Say politician me amete muntaka me Canada dey me buy na do so dey political talk. We the disky nkofo lime ko chiche mom masa we disky na fokofi menim de disky menim disky ya ka manfam be ma so ko ma nkofo bribe me de ntuma na ade bre o say o e pese o ko chiche masa fokofi na fa chema o busuafo se me se bi me ni ansa me hu say ade a me kasa ko na illegal wo de hu say tiamra na menfi me because because me sometimes me bizarre me pa say ade na yenko aye beto aba na ato ayam chiche why ade because we a very simple process omo de bia meka me say asonse de no munye me bio omo de pa na asonse fo nye me bio
ma she woni monyam
koko uraba me ma me no ton koko na ma me ton koko obabo ubizo bia me sorry na me papa na wanyini nti na aza oba akokora nti na otifie mma me kuku ya ye ba me ne nuanum Professor Sameda na we senior lecturer here USC graphic okwan na ya tonton satan obi be share ka say muyi dachi mu be da na painful
anti be MP what was that fast
now aduanu kura yen aduanu ndi na obe kasa da bie even though time na say military regime nti you will never believe it. Basha de yame ayeme ene de yame ayeme nuanom de yame afa wono no kwan so aye why ye ma ye ni bre school kwa ayeko eduma aye ye ma ye ni eko ho ade wo ye bia wo de ma woni nko ho na ye ni ye je bon paye na wo di obi echi na me say de bia me ka che manta as me say tre me wo mo di politicians nti 100 na men show wo mo a wo metimi afa so aye ye wo mo Britain. The success rate of full politician is less than 10%. I want you say why you may
yeah.
Who the for renew ahe? Obi ahe gidi and say who the for renew
what can say
to especially oni hwe one day was sorry anopa na akọta politician obedunity ma dia san
no akọta
na one bisa omo ta di hu faso kra kakra den omo asebi no aka so professional
ya ba se bia
we
obenya ba bi ni na se
senior journalist ye kan bia na ye say my very president me so omo hina na ye di wono na de je be ye me spokesperson na we di hu faso yes bisa ho me ko ye MP na sebi salary ko so me di and you tokism bibi kakra eno a enti wo de wo nkwa wa hondin ubi bia na odukotum a you are just gambling with your life me say wo de ye ne na wo komase a ye started Fourth Republic opa wo de fan say 92 kra de MPP lad
from 2000
wo boycott it from 97 first batch you know friends SK Bafo I mean hwe omo di ometi Dr. Anane di ometi na hwe all the way out 2000 omunya to me wo de hwe me count I say o kind nepa 100 na omo di echa obeka mo obeka so owe mu de omo di successful omo successful ade you they won't go more than 10 average obi a o ga so at least one year we ya motor bi ana say bi a eja we auction car bi ma no no omados no about 20 into ube pepper or more this 100 now ube kind ube be a 50 there about lost completely into now who data who then it says ube that 10% no and now even the second bat 20% no and that third category cry another 20% no then it says ube why are you be part of the 50% say you and why will you exchange your life for this?
That is Honorable Muntaka for you. Parliament. Ghana for the yes, more contact. Majority, minority near this year. The last hour, I would say, I found your marking SR call for recall. Honorable Babin denied it and refused it. I will put it in that contest. And this year, no more to a baby in my commercial. Utie polls are MPP is taking majority, NDC is taking majority. Oka caucus. What's your stand?
Well, the American say the Ukrainian meaning Paba Yebon say from my boy. I mean who you mobona 140 million mile. Now what the 2 million be my Papa me boka sipan say I mean boy na being cast an absolute majority, but a comfortable majority.
Okay.
And yes, idea. Hey, Asemaba.
What guys Asemaba?
Oh no, I mean my tenure for 20 years, and out of the 20 years, 10 years now we can leadership. I won't hide it. We've broken all the bridges. The bridges are why democracy strive on 3 things. Never mention. The decline election. Say a free and fair election. There also mean strong institutions. Say war institutions are Supreme Court. I mean Electoral Commission, SRAJ, OSP. Sebio. So we be emphasize edubefa kumakwanzo. So strong institutions. And 3 compromises. Oh, you mu do na no yen kan. Yen sua de. Eno an se sebio. Pese me ye omahini ba ho so omahini de bia no power car no ko vote ne te Muntaka kan pese me ye omahini na ma ye kri na ma betra konso enim konso say na operate no menkan enti bibi touch ma this is a technical person na we cry yes and say you know but adiano o se ube ya also usua ni no democracy strive without compromise hanum de compromise your friend say sell out. Isn't a sellout? You can never build an effective democratic institution.
The moment you compromise, your party people
because compromise, no. May you hear me, officer? Na me occupy. I find the chief whip officer. In almost every parliament, one first officer, the usual channels of communication. And just a bibi or we. Say, oh, okay, and to any saying the BBB I'm putting there, we can't accept it because of ABCD. Okay, then I would say give. So you give and you take. And then I'm parliament, Juma. And you say you pray, you could pray and you speak. Not made the outrage, not outrage. Me say. Yet the building more compromised institution. Unfortunately, both parties and I'm not accusing one side. Both sides I could take extreme position. Once Momenina extreme positions.
There's a gap.
There's a huge gap.
Now
me say with the 1-7, it will bring us closer. But unfortunately, extending us way apart. And I'm not apologetic about this. When political parties start writing to parliamentarians, that is absurdity in democracy. It's not done anyway.
Political parties.
Yeah, what you 9 people are throwing the members. Munye say 9 these are throwing the members. Munye say what? Where? Why do you do the democracy that way?
And that is what you face.
And no,
the 8th parliament.
Gab na beda. Na gab na beda ho no. Minso enka. It may take us the next 3 elections to close it. It will against Ayaye from 97. You know, by okay, say first. There was this gap.
Yeah.
And I can tell you, Yakura Yakoba Yoko 2005. Na nis Zambrans kakra wo ho. Se pa yemfa so man ni na ati Kumasi na yakushia parliament we MPP me NDC and we MPP we NDC me MPP. Na because of party affiliation.
Who I say
ye ntia and say oh hi na yatwem yentimi ntinase kra endi nkomo
because party for na here say
yentimi ndi Kumasi nkomo
ukodi nkomo na ye say wakwaji bibia na
into almost 30 years, and that's how it was. Very acrimonious. And who say Debbie, because that time say parliament mutukwan na mako British parliament na mako German parliament na mako Congress American Congress na mako moko na moko oh no over this 100 and something years say na year no in UK winning BB speaker and deputies other parties don't even put candidates in their constituency until ukoye and speaker no in UK or more alternative until election will so this time it's time for Kumasi. It's a Kumasi party. And the Kumasi party you candidate and found say Mona Uma Abemo and as a more opposition M10. Nepa now better national. The constituency. Nobody contests him. The other party, everyone say Accra party, one political candidate. Kumasi party constituency. And the speaker no, he goes on the poll. And I say be over 2 times and not 3 times so. Over say. Is it a meme kubiu?
Yeah.
Now it goes to the other. And do your time na conservative power. We former speaker na Boris Johnson ya nkokan o ka say one jina biom no. We ya sa parliament end it went to the Labour speaker. And then answer the Labour party be we no. It was a Labour speaker who is there. Obi aso contest no. Obetina so sa to say enye so mo ejimi. Enye so mo ejimi. That's what they teach telling us. No, we've practiced this and we realize that this is how the democracy works. When you have, I say, Omoka people say, me know April. I say me what I dream be also you mean well. And yes, be a who contest me simple say, we are evil. Sana also a Bible contest me no. Also who say me so I mean well. Me dream papa. And ye born in Tina. Me the person me daso ewo. And on that score, you have mutual respect for each other. And I no obiabe adhere to the rules. And I also say experience cannot be bought in the market. And do you say one time will you experience once na if you honey nana if you no be good. And to omo was anshe no oko Congress Senate omo divide Senate 23. We mo call election. This time we mo call 2-3 in call election in the American Senate. Almost 100. And at each time, 33 in the election. So the Bayard can keep experience. Yes, we had the idea. Hey, I have to wait. And one say, we are room experience, no experience. And I say, Trono, you're trying to me out to me with a mirror and say, the main panel come out and say,
it's just a consensus building. I hear our mumu.
It's West.
I say,
and unfortunately, with the greater respect, Minuanum Kuma, Rava for my Canada, the Biana Mikata, my yawa by mono. Namia majority whip. And a muja say, hey, Massa, we are on the government side. Eskime, Parliament, the whole world Parliament Bible. Who are by Musada? Who know when you say in Tokokra Beba? Because we no per se government business. Ekoso. And the other side the ATM because okay DFN had the slogan paper. And that slogan is very relevant. It is from Eskime. One more minority and now more opposition. At least they must have their say.
And then
now you have your way. And then who know obey the say I part of the say. And the way also you also want to have part of your way. And the person then Bibia Nkoso. And to make us time my dad. Yeah. Mr. Speaker, can we suspend this motion? Almost suspend, yeah. You can go and look for it. Sometimes in the chamber you see me crossing to the other side. And me there any issue. What are the issues? Oh, issue need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sir, okay. You bet me share.
Let's compromise here and there.
Share. Minister, Omahine, Mr. Eina Odiabano. There are these 5 issues. In Tanka, Pon, I shall meeting say, bra, we know technical people, bra. Namu bit chichimu. Now you know, no, bit some question. And then your late brother, Dr. Akoto said, may so rest in peace. He was very good at it. Or not to me, Muntaka. Me, Adewe, I can bet you, I will object to it based on. And the men go for no answer. Let's deal with the issue. I'll call the ministers. Now, what answer? Minium, who they can. What are the issues? Issues in 1, 2, 3. Minister, technical people, Munyano. Oh, so we also, oh, okay, but we the Matthias said, now, other phone. No, much more. Oh, okay. So, see, they said, I eat it. They said 3 days. And just say, but me no way there. So, I'm saying, and just said, this will be free, money and free, man. Yeah, we can't support it. Technical people, what can we do about these two? Oh, okay, so they are. We know. The Omoka say, the intimate answer. By a bit me this way. How do you take it? Wow, we understand now. Well, and your body there, but they become one. Oh, some can't go on there. Motumeka. But at the end of the day, mobile supporter and some work out. Yes. Okay, that's a good compromise. And to uncle. And to both say, yeah, can't do point about so. And we at this stage, we are working out because we don't support it because of these two things. You build those things and stand over the floor also. But unfortunately, we go back up. Of Afemaya. Or person who contact one now on the floor. So now we also are saying no why in the business. It doesn't work out anywhere in Parliament. It doesn't work out anywhere. Say who person will say no say way. Oh no.
See, I say why you was 70
because the challenge is say obi our opposition. Can who say the buta can say pan say obeba abem.
To make you unpopular.
And you know, so no ebenya say be ya be a we appeal to the grassroots. Who are ejuma obe say ejuma no ekoso na ultimately ejuma no koye and also appeal to the same grassroots.
You want to have a part of the
say. Now person here part of the say and also be part of the way. And the one here be our no the part of the then you don't have your way.
Parliament mafi chairman sir.
Well, I'm no longer in leadership, so I'm not able to tell.
No, but because from a hindsight, more leadership, you, Haruna Drisu, and the others, Abezi, name one thing.
Yes.
Because na me 137. Ghana for any J, but I can tell you, say today Ghana for any 137. Elections we mean yes, sure say Ghana ni be a person who 137 because of the antagonism and in near my parliament. But money chairman sir, what to me dry. After you Haruna's exit, chairman's exit, any other leadership, no, parliament is broken down. The year we be preface kamo together with chairman someone ka NC.
Well, and that's a fact. Mekurami Kano in one of the interviews said, it's just too unfortunate. Say, our crisis at the wrong time. You can't fault union on both sides. Remember, they are new. And unfortunately, circumstances are it's just too unfortunate. Both sides are more influenced by outside
by parties
than inside. And I say, Oshe Obi say chairman so. When they were outside MPP ni be they were abontia, obetime ache Mensa Bonsu MPP. Mene Haruna Idisu. When they were abontia ho obetime ache NDC abontia ho. With the greater respect. Offer a friend say vice president and now what the first president Nanado. When they say chairman so was in the parliament the same year.
That's right.
I get it.
Yeah.
Vice President Baumia, or two chairmen in the party, or by and chairman is already in the parliamentary leadership. And you want to cry Kasa, Ibubium. You can't take that away from him. Over family, Haruna Idisu. Any President Mahama, were all in parliament. President Mahama had 3 times. Many Haruna Idisu had 5 times. President Mahama never served in leadership of parliament. Many Haruna has served in leadership. General Mosquito, the national chairman, why a parliamentarian, is it 8 years? Yes.
Yeah, 2 times.
2 times. He was never in the leadership. Who been in leadership? Fifi Kweti, General Secretary. He's done only 2 terms. He was reporting to us. And he said, you will not instruct me. We will discuss it. But on both sides, they see the vice president and the president Nana as tingles. It might the same way. We must as tingles. So until the Ombeka Biano is about how far was a jump. It's how far. So I can't ama the extreme end, you know. I because unfortunately the new leaders, you can't blame them because they are now trying to warm up.
Understand the rudiments of the game
and how to be able to really hold the chamber. I was a chamber dynamics. It's a different ball game. Who be a lawyer for baby? What chamber? So sometimes they don't understand how we do it. And no idea also usuya.
Oh, chamber no.
Chamber dynamics.
Your demeanor new posture.
Idea also usuya pa.
But we will be a chamber dynamics.
Who could deal leadership? You always flow. And with the greater respect, ever as I mean, the former minority leader, Honorable Haruna Iddrisu, he won't agree. Say, "Obey take a decision." B. Me too can grant because say, "Look, let me talk to Montega." Do you know why? I've been chief whip the longest in the history of this country. Obiano why chief and because the chamber dynamics is something that initially me buy and say Uber from both say now they way I can be do the worker because even body language.
Utimi hu say akwa was sanadwene. The kind of from.
And to would you are going to have a lot of problem. And you know, we are hoping say into the 9th Parliament, you know, we'll not only have very experienced people, but we'll try and see how we can repair the bridges. Believe me, me can say, am in the church to be and Zunka, regardless of how the election goes. Yeah, here, the 9th Parliament will have the hangover of 8th Parliament.
I foresee it.
And the hangover of 8th Parliament, you know, yeah, managing year into the 9th Parliament now. The 9th Parliament will largely be acrimonious, regardless of the number that you have. Because I didn't be over. You will be in the chamber. It's purely disruptive. Nepano, omon doso semo. Yen tuaba, omoma yen tuaba. Yen mayan kasa. Chamber also no. Untimin chubi ewo. The nipa biya beka no chamber no. Untimin ko prosecute no. He has absolute immunity in the chamber. And if you don't learn how to manage the chamber, be no with me. You just disrupt. And the Ekobana said, Adeno, ya manage the process of this moving from the 8th Parliament into the 9th Parliament. What you are going to be confronted with, and say, you have a huge hangover.
Yes, I want to show you now, a president with a minority in Parliament.
So, it will be worse. But don't pray for this country. Mr. Obompaya, Obama Omayano, say, it's better to have a slim majority than to have Parliament, you know, is held by one party.
And the presidency is held by another.
Because with what the I think in this 8th Parliament, I can't imagine how the 9th Parliament will be.
Okay.
Well, the Americans say, as one say, yes, someone said the DBI, no. Ne, I said the DBI, or can say, oh, Montaka, they were ya, then I watch it. The DBI, the Americans say, oh, no, what do you mango? Mango now, do I know? What do you about if you name? And I would do about if it's and about so and feeling. And I owe Bompire and I wouldn't see Gusso. Nanina, so I'm about Nina if you come. Nabako de, a swab papa. Now, Famaso air bonus out here, say, and Famano a bone palm automeda. Obiba say, Mango dear. A swab kama, as a bomb from but the Mango de a check. Na yendu afoforo. Yes, I know. The American Yamina Mekanyo. Kumasi Ayoy, you were 11 MPs. President Nanano offered to me 2016. You just say, Ope tape Obinya. o kotafo o oni tafo hene kasa o say nana mo so mehwe na me hye obo me ba me bo mi hu body na me sisi tafo say the muntaka ye asonse no the me can say sebi say president now that time no o ni mo no an MPB a wo bo no hu body chen me anka ono na o de be comparison anka nyame enti say wo Kumasi na say ya mango ye dubako now there was about we there and I saw about pan yentwa na yendua foforo na se bi yansa be no che ya ye che so me do 28 years me no pay in 28 years I was one na se bi me stress so me ka so onya hwe me wa bonu homodin
anya hwe obeso osua no di na
na wa ye bi but I can definitely say you na work myself me 20 years na hu fa so aba ma so for chain me no pay 28 years for so me Let me go me number who cry Sumpa FM. Hey, na Kumasi pa ye nasi ni. Because the me can say, wo hwe nyoma ka say beye e wo Kumasi. Problems are here wo Kumasi no. Heavy traffic ne dey kan. E bia na won cry. Na cry in 8 years. How many interchanges ya we?
About 8 cry.
Na Kumasi na sebi obi a obo no bo na ewu oyere no osomo obeba no na aduane si ho de obeye bia na bibi oye bibia kama wo sori a wonya bibia na wo de akoma oba a wo peno na sebi oba no kura no wonya hye se opew ana se ompew na sebi de na wo ya oyere enti asantema mo de me nka se omunya hwe o but wo hwe equity ye ka se wo cha de Debi ami sa na me kan o me consensus ye cha de a ye ncha ni equal se bia no 15 letter years and do the 15 mamia and the letter year bia anje ba ko debi ye ncha de sa o cha we mu o mo population ye say we mu na wa cha na sa because ebi mu benya benu na ebi mu atwen that's equity. It's not about equal. Enti asantema enti then e be pie do say enti me dem wa rojumu say asonse we'll surely keep the seat for NDC, and we were very confident saying I'm to meet NDC. Yeah, by giddy.
All right.
Put you away and you better not to say the end down. When there was a pass, by why did we be a my Okanya, no Akasa? A bumpire say, was station Sumpa, because awesome. Now, I saw me now, Marcos, I can say. I hope I'm sure you know.
I'm saying, Honorable Muntaka Mubarak Mohammed, and I want to say that you check on. Honorable Yossi Bedasi, sir, Unyata, say, Uncheda and call radio society. You know, when my producer even told me you were coming around, I was like, Honorable Muntaka, yes, I'm still okay. He's been a good friend for a longer period. In the Dijumana, Obena, and Abu Nipa, yeah, Bimo, Nano, Naba, Kosi, Muntaka Bamo. I don't know a Kennedy di say when I'm say my obi my own sisi no na mom o ka hello beka hi all we better say we can only wish you well. All right. Okay, honorable Muntaka na mo tese na chinko mame enko be penny chain that's it as I media. Okay, na me ma Dr. Adams.
My
Bibi abo call there. Better see. Gabi Shaupa. Okay, Doc. Yen komo. Na yen share. Yen so baby a. Yen nam sisia. Apomdi wum here. Wuni ahode a 7 December. Ubetima to form.
Yes.
By 7 December. Eti ye be here say apomdi wum komo no. Ye wie ya no Francis Dodovi ewo yen chen wo fie ha ye no so bejo twen komo FDC na MPP for so enkomo de ba me nche o
ba me da se de be kan fa china ma twediampo na yen fa ncha so ko kra ma obi a wo hwe ana se wo tie sumpa na no pe so na wo kan abato no se na hodima pa o nti
amra bi mo so mo tuwi o mo nkofi
last week na they didn't come for diabetes and then the complications.
That's right.
But they make kind of say be also which number aiming scientific. Na ya manage say the manager and manage the amount. They make me treating so na more do na to share the amount. After that, everyone said within last week, course a baby questions a buy a pan was about pida edema.
Enu ye de.
Omo na se ta peja no. What a nice hobe
edema.
Yes. Yeah, but so ofri ha.
Say via committee.
Yes.
By the time I mess up, shoe am share no.
So
me ram into me say bi. Okay.
Ya ko maka bi ko yobi. Won kwada ne nsan nyina ne watch on no ade abo apie free hotel no.
Watch.
Ya ko ba na won timi enyi watch no.
Hey,
ne so ha na hono ma afi watch no chen watch timi obie tu ni na batentimi e ma bonti. Ebi mo was a problem no. Na omukwa chese ne say adan na e wo bi ho a yare be na wo bi ho a betu amana nya sa edima no. Bibi e broad pa questions are the answer no e be betu to give 1 month. Because nya ade ba ko pe be ni betu masa edima ne ba. Obi betu na drive from Kumasi to Accra. Be ko do no bibia ne na ye free. But we want what can mu from to Accra ko do no so that can paboa o sha enye yi ne na honhono ma o mia abo se atom. We need say after some maybe a minute no hono ma na no asai ababi. You were there who do be bree a oni padua no mu a betimi sa ade na beje ni padua no so. But I can say a fluid retention. Abribi bon say ona se apeja bia no nsu na ba ho.
Nsu ni ba entima ansai.
Entima ansai anko. Na ne mama nsu ni ba no na make say e doso. Na se de odi na tie no na say ya the crop pot tie shechi. So what I say. The first one I make back kan wasem e clot. Clot moja ada na sa abotoa. E very last last week no after we na you kan kakra. And the airport baby no so so weight no ebro 90 pounds am mo check cholesterol inside the man so that of late no say mo say heart failure no adults be brain. Now say Ghana ha no ka say koye lipisa e take full blood
full blood count
ayi mana e dey akofidi oni akofhe shade do wo ni say man nya di me imagine say bia e be take e be twi moja be brebi na me go do office one machine it say ya ti umbe for to abi sana sure and ya dey akọ family sa na se me family sa shit to ko bi mo no the lens bi ato so na light aso ato me sana so o my we say with ana screen e bo so ya na was me am screen so me tada we so no me sa we pepe o moja bi o mu bia no show e wo we so so enti babia e po bi wo babia moja na black babia enti bi wo ni na show we so so na me hwe me no na makoma sekaka but me hu video man the entire blood now black.
So who no nenam ho.
E moja ni nyina etum. E na anya se bi obi na kan e wo ho e na wo hwe. Ko obi di nsano so mo se moja ni all red kama. Obi one day no oya moja ejina black na sade ejina finfin moja ejina black sa cholesterol clot ni moja sa. Amo say san crofone nyina no within the next year acha 1 year o mo beto anya stroke. Won say no the same just an any money be. No, papa says I'm a machine. Si no. Me pese me to be. Also no board $5,000. That's what the any I say for o mark na manager. One of Katala. Everything with me. Anya biaba. Yes. Ajuma yan do my
ajuma yan dey fata.
Enti me fresh shaking was so be na me ni ba komra. Na me nyame da me timi ba ko me du aka
tonya ba ko ba
aka fo no so mo
e kan fo na ngi
me na to ba
antu di aba
isi hanom
e wa atwema
yes
okay and ye to aba ni we are next week
be very important honorable miss o finger keke me ye take blood no
your whole blood
every blood be show screen so na ye rotate
be a cholesterol wo be a clot
and no am say me use machine no oh my god you issue
nipa e ba
amanfo am betima na stroke within 1 year no because who obi moja na ono aso ka ho enti na ordinary work akebe na apaja no
and hot man as an anxiety
moja no 2
oda kakra bia oda ne nsa so a osori an nsa no kra no etimi enam
yes
obo wo ha na ase
na no fa no
wa no ase popo bi people complain of that
na na me kan bi won ma the fact say ye di pane be se hanom atwe moja de ma bi won ma o twi moja cloth mi ko off won say o de awo na e ba won mebrebe so mo say ho poa eti da bia won say afwe di me ko na off ti sa fie de keke no mpo no e ma no nya atege ba so onko cheke sa de ade bra on but no apɛ na me de ti wo say me de hwa manfo me kwa ye unja free o don sato so na ahwe enipa mo bɛyɛ bi nyina more than 90% clots cholesterol and moja ada sanko fo ni nyina so ekrofo a na next one ma be wana obo so na apaja they say it will be congestive heart failure eso sa akoma no e bia wo pressure na akoma no timi adwuma yi but we dey there moja na antina de moja bra akoma no clot ni bia ko hye santi no mu nti akoma no nya moja yi na dia pompe aye adwuma wo so ye no every organ including the brain that control the whole system no eda wo koda adwene so da bi acha se barakma no enya gina se ada wo zo betwa you see a ade hwe se wo e ne pause no yakoma no zo de wa so koto no ko na se wonu se akoma ebo na cheke pause no se mo cheke na se onya pause wo akoma na gina and the no circumstance anyone was say bibi ebe obstruction say
ama akoma na say gina
dangerous. See the first idea ma onas with my peja esa congestive heart failure no say bi wo so na say jomo no dia no national on the say kakra bi o ehunu ba na anke hono no won say ebi hono ne fort no pa na hono
ne so na ho babu ba na 19 hono
yes eba eso kakra ama bi kwa na shin no nani ho na kase no wono wotimi mia na hono nyina atom and the next akoma no yade om clock na me kan bi anya kwan akɔhye akoma no mu ana esikwa no ma moja emfa eyota no mu enkwa akoma no mu so ni pa no wan hwe ye the more anakro be kan so kwan sikra akoma na feli afi wono ma na gina pa no oju wono ma na afi wotwahwe until the first ade with maka so obunya clot no 2 akoma no efilia with me na side di mano and then third one cholesterol sade a ados won padua ni mu na sintini kwan sade do so blocking tin na akoma no tu bia okon emunwa ohu tu bia oyefunu ha na ya emunwa tu asere emunwa but tu nine emuwa tu nsa emuwa enti basa extremities no nsa ha enti obi onya namness bia ne nsa ha ne nine ana bia na no na tifa ba bi because umeja on say no na ye far from the heart enti one oxygen ntimi ma hoye moja ntimi ma hoye nutrients about ni here calcium magnesium phosphorus ni nyina no moja na de ko the moment a bibi be sikwan a blood ntimi ma ha so no ha no enya sa na ma ni nyina ntina afei ama nsuro do wasa ba hono no ntimi because na bibi ehwo atene nsuro eliki edegu hono finally sodium nyambo na tukina bia de be ka ba na de ma no simi ka sodium ho asem kakra ye nya sodium won tina ye di mo but bro so bebre a wo de betima ye o
enchine
na bi so ni hono so a wo de betim de ye o ma hu obi a zukom de ne pa na afa nsuo onum so bo e kan onum so wie ya tu no twahwe enchine do a wo mu no na ema adweno eye balance hold brain no ema otimi enya meta bibia wo ye bia so onum san so bebe no was paper so no woni mu nyina te wasa adweno etrase
ala nsuo enye
ba wonu se enchine wo nsum na o de nsuo bibegu ma na eswoti hanti wo dodo wasa excellent padwene mu na ma adweno timi hold the balance no ono de entia se nsuo do wanom nsuo kakra
enu ne pi
ono de ne bi se o fanso no num nyina at once enchine do na wo mu no wanano ne nyina afrenti mu hold brain into the balance fall down and on so twa nti bibia ye but mahu obi a odidi and have say e be say ni ma on kan hwe o
no asanchine
first thing about what ntimatum
ojo segum kran san wa kai
aye
obi have
yes or pension to that and say oh no ebesi wono na mahu obi a nchine bo no bi no ya no mo wi o sem nchine no de abo no bi a framo no sorry so unya sodium bebre buru so a enso de wo so tell mu no entimi control ɛna sɛ nsuo egu o de nsuo gu aha baabi a sɛ nyakwan a ebe leak aba fam the same thing sɛ nsuo wɔ mu na sɛ ɛboro so na ɛnyɛ baabi ntina yi a ɛbɛkɔ fam ɔnan no ɛna ɔnsa ha nti edi ma ne nyinaa bebrebe ɛyɛ common paa no ɛyɛ nan de nti misrɛ wo ɛnkyerɛ no mi nkasa ɛnkyerɛ yɛ ɛnyɛ
alright
sɛ bi ne mu nso a mazopu
choose
o han ha mo so na na contract na wo gyina ho na wo tirim saa nti wo hia so de but not in essence
okay
nti misrɛ baby bia wo bia no sɛ wo feel sɛ wo high cholesterol and I say so okay numbness na badendenden wo tifa wa no fa ni sa na mo nyina ni ho wo na ne pagya o ba sa fidie no nko a bituma che dia ba bia no na fa ya pɛ ho aduro da ma kuma sia ndie
atwema
tachima wada so hwima se e kwa na so no ma bra so full like cast bi ho o ba ta no so ni fio no benya ka mo go so ni na de mu ta no so mo nsi wa ni fio no ma cast no bi ho no o hwima station so mo agree ka o ba bia na be se wo hwima se benya cast no bi ho no wa kran so de na akodo me St. John's ho no ma so ko amen cast no bi ho no number 0277 00 1234 0277 00 1234 and as a why lab be awards can be what so 0241 36 73 49 0241 36 73 49
Allow Sharifi Yankopon yourself. All right, they're told you again. So, of a K, Ewofia no more UK branch of New Patriotic Party, one and a chairperson, Samsona Francis Dodovi, a lady member of the NDC Ashanti region. Of a K, Akwaba, Francis Akwaba, Sebi called there. You know about the say. Mamenya birthday si bread and butter pa last time to muka jagum. Empress V of Bekwai. And Eyawa Woda Empress V. Bekwai Amansie Ensroma event. Asuma do da kwasoa workers media. Nana Kwesi Prempe Kejetia. President of Federation of Kumasi Traders Kejetia. Yabo amasi o ma otirikwa na kwesi prempe Felix Ampofo aka Yanya Akon enne eyewa woda Ukrian Michael of Observer newspaper Esther Pukia of Espoke Fashion Esther Pukia Bremen UGC happy birthday to you Grachi of Asante Aguna today is your birthday from your sister Martha of the UK Joe Owusu Ansa, aka Joe Louise of London, from your big brother, Honorable of Anwamo, Mr. Richard Keck, Mensa, NDC Western Regional Communication Officer, Keck Mensa, from Akosia Sumwa and Kukwe Jando of Sumpa, Keck Mensa, okay, Francis, now aprobo kosei. Now, Master Asante Sunday, it was a mammoth crowd. Nah, MPBC they are shaking because a Jirakra Kenny squad or Mudan didn't the Padoma, a POS was no a momu. Nah, 2016 a Doma Kushia a stadium, na a Bindi and so, Mulu Suiti way and young one. My pro bono, a Kosei was Asante region.
I'm say, wow, Asante, deputy president for time. I don't know the goodwill on your 2016 up to date. Well, I say, what do we need to form? What you say, changes about brain. Changes about brain. This time around, it is not about me Asante. It is not about me free Kumasi. It is about living conditions. Well, we share ja ultimo. We share economic situation. Petrol ayetono almost 80 Ghana. Cement ina ayetono 25 cities and a number 120 na there. Yeah, you know been a catch. Until your campaign no, this year so we are quite retail base.
Yeah.
We are at a branch level. Those are many rallies now there. Yeah, we are all the 47 constituencies. obi aye the campaign yi pa Sayura Mahama banana kwesi there e dey
and ma tisa no pe o call him so
yeah call him so sure yeah ah o hwe kwesi da ba ha hwe nipa domo a epie ya
can we have some videos
hwe nipa domo a epie ya na je say this ya no Asante dane Shia 2017 omo no money you know who's me now for be before money me DNDC na MPP business me won chinye do vi party muntimi ba power den ene mo muntimi ka say Akufo-Addo ama your mama a hero and these are guys are omo and some will be a boy business or until we are on point, we are focused. Yeah, said nothing will change this victory. We pay whoever best son. Tell Dr. Bawumia or court no aba. Na Asante had it. Now back crowd repair it. Upa Asante ma Ura Mahama MP, not Dr. Bawumia MP, or Mummy no muja busy, no head crowd a BP. Yeah, you should know that Anka MPP. Ye ni baby, you know, ya tank room over 20 and I'm a boy. Next year, but you whom you know, share, say a brute 20 years. Asante ya na you are a boy. MPP. Sanka another convoy HM, an MPP convoy HM. The pardon my BP. Mamoton sooner there, the budget and so I show boy adoga. And I was at the view.
Oh, by Oba hello, nya crowd.
These are rented crowds, though.
Hello, FM.
Oh, rented crowds. You pay genuine crowd. I will tremble. Oh, come as I say, I'm street to which you see, but we be President Kufuor who be. Nana Domremi who be nipa line have genuinely organic crowd. Organic crowd you say.
If organic.
Huh?
It's just organic. Una me na be feed organic.
I want to master.
But you tree master.
Odo fine and
odo kind. Aha. So odo ne ba dia kan me huma. Odo kind.
Tu so odo kind. Organic love. Wow, odo efre kumam. Mo se nipa di America bi akoto.
Jubilee Park, dem mo hear TV somewhere one penny.
Na say mo dey say di hu komo crowd. We got am beza me wenye no crowd. Say di aka e meme ndade no. We dey abetwam ko. But say we be translating to vote no. Eno ho asem na sesi aye kai. We dey crowd we crowd say na me dem bi. Me ne muntaka o so free from the post office wo. And 90 from post office was and 90 more than 4 to 5 kilometers from Abuabu post office was
for the Omonante and so to so and not so.
Until now, we are poised for victory and nothing will change. It's not every before I say, and I baby, we are here.
I don't be before Kanda best.
Not your grandma. We shall we are not baby, we are here.
Sano mo catch them.
Aye, no, because you are guys, baby. That's a what you to say the Pano. What the kuku nti na wo feel everybody about to so be we na me catch this for so bia general state fast obi ne ho betime bi obi a no way
and mo fi say enwiamu ama MPP ntime nweni
yaw asema na wo kan say ya to abai finchi mu a apu say bia no po say bi o kro we mu na da o shara na hu de eko changes na enwiamu asakra na e ba no hu de eko. Yeah, we are winning this election.
2020, you said the same thing. No, you are winning.
Forget about 2020, Masa. They are carrying bomb by the actually they say chum. And no, yeah, can't want someone who errors now. They are the mistakes. But this time we are fully prepared. And fine, we are going straight. Victory or nothing else. Victory or nothing else. So what they say. Yeah, that's not the every. And before Ghana for 12 months before there, and that's all my way there. I just say yeah, to film. Because they are coming to do worse things. You see car, I could be $30 million, $2 million train. I see. For example, acquire what Ghana has if you need Kumasi Asante in Accra. You see, I feel you train. My train and now you. I know this is a now just saying, I got the microphone. I'm not sure Mukato moto. But thank God, say, Urama Ba Urano. We should recover all loot. Bia be line no bia up. Wa $30 million ama China ni. You go and face it. Some face Canada. Head minister wa go tua yesika ama ship. Katumu. So ma ko jimpo ene o. say $52 million was said there ayira auditor general all these things will come. $58 million.
Francis, we heard this countless.
Trust me.
So a politician will come and nothing happens.
Yeah, not this era. What's
the difference now?
The difference is that Cecilia Diajale is more than genocide. No, we're any genocide. Shasa Obi Edin Seka Abu Ababusia. Now by any to interest Carmano. By force, or say, you be more haircut. I could grow is a gross 70 or something may ye be a more. None put there a horse hour near or just come to do one move. Until now, the echoes of my women one and another. And yet, Obina become the actual view. He who lives it feels it. So I say, until Yana Yatia Jahun and him said as he shefa. And don't let anybody come and tell you any story. Oh, 2016 but the woman was voted out. And just one dear, Obi, I wish I was my book to Japanacho. May you, say me that Chamunina, but go and see no more. That's what I say. Until unless you will, we have to rescue our nation. Yananema Kosu crowd TV. So Rama and it is one as handsome with Koswa. And got two by maybe so. And got two and two by because someone be so grown. But thank God say, yeah, the Indian person be and I don't know you say 8 years and back. 8 years no, I saw. Aka and then no, and 9. And in Banawi, and I'm sure say, and no crowd said the official voting party now, you protest votes against the sitting government.
Now,
this the security.
How do you know the voting party?
Now, so I'm winning boys when you share. And I'm desire. On just say, only boy I'm when you share. I'm go for a casa. And the mom will change now. We could carry a conscious of it 20 or more. I'm go for them more. Around him, sir. Because I was just person of me. Who would him grow for them 4 years to under this regiment? Only him grow for I could through excruciating hardship. Around him. And then another minty bit that. Tell Samale for crowd call strike. Everything roll is a person back and the minty bit that. I just have for drama. Samale for much amount for. I'm going to strike a crew him. So they had a guts still a mother to air casa defending another policies. Hey, Bama, Nisa da General Crow, for this. We are waiting for that day to come. And why would help me once some ABC wa? Be who the ABC will cruma. But who say yes, Sagana for Abufuna and wash. But they take decision at the right time. Yanti we are poised, Rama and Ra, and I joke on the name is but 2 o'clock. Abuakwa do abuakwa nipa abuakwa yawo. What are you saying? So we are cocksure. A cocksure say victory there it's coming our way. And let nobody dare. And this is for you now be pure for Tuaba. To pure on their feet and vote for John Mahama. Let nobody dare. So you kulubia. No way that it won't happen.
Okay. But I will try. Ovage. Also my probo kosai.
So the boys are almost a probo. Ekoi. Na papa bi was in Jar Rasta man. Minima the crow. One Jar Rasta.
Hinini.
Hinini. The communication director. Hinini.
International.
You have Kokubin Persimmon Country or Chow.
Breaky reggae songs on Wednesday.
Oh, yes. Na Omani, Mamin Chow. So the Grammy one dating that Nanui, Mabakwa, Minchian PP UK for Namino Mossy, a dom every UK abomai. Juma. May the no crane a camasem. Bebe 2-3 months in here. Na a form in your mind. A form na in your mind, near Juma and another neighbor Umiania ya. Na a yaya MPP4 Sabi. A choir yani yenuanoma a support to yan Atina ya nhyɛ da ne wɔn antena ne yie papa na yɛn mu binom di ho etu ho na mo pa yie ama yɛne Ghanafoɔ di nkɔmmɔ na wobɛhwɛ a meba bɛyɛ nnwuma bi kakra wa na anɔpa yi me nua wa disappoint me papa
ade
nsɛm a waka ne na meka sɛ ubusa no ɔmo aprɔbɔ yi nka obetimi ne asanteman adi nkɔmmɔ ne Ghana man adi nkɔmmɔ na watimi aka kyerɛ yɛn sɛ MPP na bon ebia na yɛn yɛ bɛyi nneɛma a yɛkurukyire a yɛde ahyɛ dan mu ato yɛn ho punu a brainstorm na mfie nwɔtwe akɔnto a yɛatena opposition yɛaboa yɛn ho sɛ A, B, C, D, E, F to Z MPP for ebi a ɔmo anya adeɛ ɛno nti yɛn yɛ ba no yɛbɛyɛ wei wɔnya more than 10 minutes akasa not even one policy direction say yɛba na asanteman mu nti na yɛba na yɛka kyerɛ mu ne yɛde ani die ne obuo ɛde ama mu na yɛka kyerɛ mu sɛ ani die mu ahobrɛaseɛ mu na ano no mu gya yɛ kwan ne yɛkɔɔ yɛ ne yɛakɔfa yɛn ho adwene yɛatena se yɛacalculate nneɛma yɛhunu nneɛma a ɛnkɔ yie nti yɛbɛba bɛboa na yɛayɛ. That is what I was expecting from him. But completely, maybe a year for a buyer or befa or Maya na NDC for Nankasa from PNDC. Any NDC, I hand you over 19 years. I'm Magana Koshinia wa mobra. At the Maya Rakufo no more Ankasa catch and say, Ube bu or mino amayashi. Yerakufo so mu. Na move or minor ampa GDP growth was 3.4%. Ediko drew 8.5%. Social interventions and be mada NDC for say omo na socialist party. As I say omo wa badaye edema Ghana maima. Eyi die. Wodi bebre Metro Mass Transit. Free National Health Insurance Scheme, free maternal care. Koko ana katiesi su 19 years amani nyina wu. Koko mass spraying. Roads upon roads. Roads for President Kufuor ye and nene nei. Ebi o ha yentutu so da. Quality high roads. Awo yigu o ma we. Na ma di NDC for one yaw e wa santimam se o mo ba keke na no de meti yakura se twa ma wo twa me nsunu mu ne se motimi aka 24-hour economy for almost 1.5 years e de akyere Ghana for nyina se eno ne game changer yewura se edu nkatia se eno ne game changer because Swami magazine afita for your mundo e di boat no boat and not ye tu na wia yenhia electricity omo nsisa omo niam fa nko ye adwuma anadwo na yenti kane aboso mo na meka se enka omo nyina feli ya budon ene e friend say onu yewura mama krasa ba ya onu beka ayi discotheque ni nyina na meka se bia enka na wo ba santima mu wa prepare for the na sane na minkotia TV so interview okoforidua wose say na omoboa yeso wanga sombo o say 24-hour economy a voluntary enye force omahene Mr. Wadaruma Mr. Pa okay what na fidie yanim for more than 2 years ayeru mama yeto abayi no eti afedi wadane na no say na sem na o ka no onu ankasa okujeto ablako ase onu de omuba 24-hour economy no ni nchiremu pa ne se ombesisi airport nyina wo region bia so it was say airport sie no enye compulsory. Is that what he's saying to us? Voluntary. Yeah, that's what he said. Or say voluntary enye by force. Program voluntary any obia officer who meet criteria no subscribe. Eti airport no ayebe si so yenso yema subscribe. voluntary, right? Yewra mama di asante for tem ene, I'm being honest.
So say.
Yewra mama di Ghana Maya tem ene, I'm being honest. Because if this is what Yewra mama stands for, 8 years in opposition.
So say
Yewra minua emetina ha ne. Na onsa me kantre ye say and na Yewra kofo nsema omo kae no a omo ka say onu ya the gold na asiesie ni fie. Na yen gold reserve was sad ya kogwa brochire etu omo ba omba china tum shantro mu odin se ya wa braka na satam se na nado danko akufo do nya kwan ena nka oto a Ghana ni na kofo amamuo no so ampa e ka ba bia Ghana duro nya ha ne ho ena omo asase abiem se oba chichi nkofo bia gum na no sami jamfi se ya Ghana army military ya security agents police they are going to deal with them mercilessly simply because omuni any policy direction to win election. Enra anopa message na mo hu ye na samija fi kasa ye no me na me share no around the whole world say Ghana for military security monko kire samija fi say wo ye totofi wa kwada bonia na ni nsomo omumo. You threat a whole canopy police commander be inspectors. You sitting down, Sami Jamfi, sabi me, my 57 years. Me timi kran kasa se me ni penny for no. I can't do that. Eti wo mo ntina se na wo betra konwa so. Na fa won saba wo moni, wo akwada boni fa won sa fa ba yi wo moni ko sua to fom. Is that what they are saying to us? I'm telling you. Me ba santimamu mahunu say campaign no nya peki keke. But NDC now no me betina hanom na me betiwa wanim e na oka kire me say that day no omo say omo 35% e wa santimam na mbisa say omo fu say lotto number na yekotwa na kajetia eno na kajetia na NDC for e de aye nyum atu ne mfie mienu say ya bu asantema kwasea na omo ne besi kajetia market ena obi antimi nya bibia ma omo biem ena enei meme ba na me ka kire omo se omo musa menua na oto no ma mesisi se etikaj asanteman eno ane kajetia omo ma ya niema nan a omo aye o asanteman mu apart from kajetia na ye ntimi ka kire omo se ampani omo dibim enan ene Town Rose even ofuase kokomi kona kosha Town Rose go me ma eno nko a kofuase kokomi kiti kosa komampon asante mampon ko bekwai ko hene kokumawu look you see ene na do na kokufo ma me sorry ma ho nyankopon hirawo na on hirawo papa a sebe wo no maame a ene wo mu nyina to ananan mo nse do o papa wa anya wa mranto hu what Ghana nim e wo jiase nyina the whole world. The free senior high school that we are talking about in this country now, and this is 41 omu pupu no. American timinye, Germany timinye, United Kingdom amiya chama amiya UK chama no ye timinye ho. Ye the Yamanico school ayan ye chia school fees. Now listen to this.
About free
senior high school. Free senior high school. A boarding facility. Aban afa baby ankwala na beda nyina ho ka wafa omodidie ho ka no pa hwia numre ho ka wafa school atade ho ka wafa books nyina ho ka exams fee ho nyina ho ka electricity a menua ya ban ka kire Ghana for say mu da sumu but mu betua electricity bill at university. That is what they were telling Ghanaians. Nanado ekika ni nyina abomu no akwada ba ku bia 7,250 Ghana cedis per term. the anane maami ana send the guardian ana the owo no ana ne babia konya accident nyame amfafie na wode nkwala miensa sa abeja no so because maami ana papa na wu ama ne nkwala na beye ono ne guardian guardian ne ma nipa kro na ye nyanka gu no so ade so hwe ne mana wiansa na kakra ba so mu so no wode nkwala na bo wura school mu na nye school bia o sanka wo ne hwan o hia ni ba so oba be ko Prempeh College akọ your friend say ba kono de say de won kra no
very sec
da bi ba kono atemota mfanti pembi ya santo akra mpo se be wo ba be den wako obi poku ware but enne enkwala we mu enne sasikafo mani nyina at the same class ama yentimi anya akwada bi free at there so ama wakoyi first class e United Kingdom Brunel University enne akwada no e Oxford University ayama scholarship from abroad o man kasa achi no ya kasa kan nyina abomu a medema no si no ya kan economy ansa ebomu a e 21,000 and over. So me found 21,000 Ghana cedis. Afibia, uka akwala wono wako 3 years in na wie no at the bomua. You are talking about sikasa seka or nipana or dine beko school no. Otua 63,000 Ghana cedis. 630 million 1 year. Na do danko Akufo-Addo say
for the 3 years.
For the 3 years, yes. Na do danko Akufo-Addo say what ya che NDC phone nyina ya ne minua tiamu yi a wo kasa kama yi omumma nyina obia anko ni free abai ban ana atimi abaye bi pen NDC nkokon ketenkete anya adwuma NDC mprekon ketenkete ya fa mu man NDC mprekon ketenkete emma santini ba bia ni one I'm telling you NDC for beto Obama MPP this time you will be shocked more than osi ye wiade mu NDC4 kwasiabua ya NDC leadership kakra bi na wani mu no anya omu se tam enamia menua muntaka kasa me bona baso because okay o say enkrofo kakra bi ebedi omu no achi a percentage na ye omu si abrabo mu si ye no esua eya no kra wo mabu mu kwase achedodo Nana Danko Akufo-Addo say every single home should have a crutch and asa papa.
Thank you very much, Francis. Mami Mao, another time. Mami Joe.
Yeah.
Yes, my brother.
What is this thing of Asante 4 and NDC Abumu Kosia? And then Saka Sade free. No wonder say menu penny onti krom ha. Na say onti krom ha bi uni yeti krom ha. Anka obehu say de ekwa ehye pa me ka twro. Woti an wo ba e no. Wo say wo anka ba omi asem ba kokra. Another me ka wonte. Onim say oba e ba omi asem ba kokra ni wa waka. Me ka ye NDC ni John Mahama asem. Wo so nti bi da. Wo ba e President Akufo free maternity ni 111 na wo kan wa. President Akufo ba etwa ene. Sabe me ni o cha me panyin so. Nso mani afi. Me run some bo Akufo mamu. Ara me wa. Enti wo metra be say na Akufo na di we ba Akufo na di bu ba. Say wo kan sa dia. And the rolling sir. Why spanning rural electrification? What did Kade call Asante ha nkro bebre ha. Na Kane ni ha. Rollins na ba ye. Bridge bebre e wo krom ha. Me minti akurahye o. Woni ma me ya nwra ni. E from Francis Dodo mi ya nwra ni. Minti voter. Kumasi na meti. Awe kromatra kumasi kracha. Wo akujara akota UK. Ashuni nyama yakoso wo krom ha yi. Wona ne ya na wo bo. Ana wo kika de wo kika kai. Na wo fasi for ukrom ni fa ufri me ukrom ni memram me be ukrom ni mama che ukrom ni fa wo de body enura me duro ho na mo ye me mobo me se bo ukrom din na ho be na ufri na ho be tie mu pa asante bu apa na mama ni me papa na ufri enura me be dira mo ade na se no na mo ye me mobo mo ntimi anka bibia tira bu akwafo ya ga wan che wan abo
na pia boate
bema nipa onya na ya pa ne de opetu ada
aya ne mo da che mo sorry
wow
they all can tie no
tie dia meka no na gya de o chekere no
di mani kasa wi am about
di am ni minya sa de no
magya kafra
ni minya sa o so na me ko
susu ha woni kyerɛ
me ni sa na tie me ye wu gya ye ela me twa say application ye fani ha ko
application ana we do de dia ha ba di mani ne ko form
na me ni bia wo me fiti ya si ana tie o de me so no enti ba ma hu tie e me kika kasa asem no say na and this vabu asanti kwasi be ma wo krom ha wo free kumasi wo be se kwa na sa wo be se kwa woni mu a metro de owura mahamatimi aye wasante ya so woni ma asante
kam ye tie yenko
woni ma asante nchen me yaw we asante no
Francis Kasa
wo metro mu de tie be ma tie
Kasa
me won che no
me tie
me won no na twi nkra ne be se so abokeje tie di phase 1 Sawabo Ratri Park.
That's
Ratri Park.
Ratri Park, that's right.
You for example, at Tafuja.
Yeah, Tafu
Market.
That's what I say.
And I fa.
Atonsu.
Oh, na wekeka won.
Na me munim dada. Na sa me me.
Na me munim.
Mo no aka na de emoa no.
Ah, na asa de me. Ya sa de me ni nguma bi. Na de na me woro ma na bu ma me.
Francis.
Oh, ya so de na wo chei.
Ma me why?
Enye no kre ya ka no kre ma fa no kre tu be da. Wo no woni ma santi ha nche me wo bridge na da epra no so no asefu so no bisa no sa na ye akubado na ye e blocks a ebi ewo agrikins ma ha no pakusu na no ya to ne zine commission na school be na SSV so be ha school be na si ya budan wa SSV woni ma me ka kiro opoko wa de prepenya na ewuram e ye kro no na nyina ba beto no ana wonim maybe so unim wow o ma ye sad na ma cha sa de ye no say ye ni bi ye en na ko hwe eyi mama da for du jama school yi en na ko say krofo ye sit down e ben o so be du kro mo ka che say ye sit down e wo brem school no de ko akire na nipa anya sunwie e de asua nwuma na ya na krofo e sit down e den e ben kro na aba be di kro na ya o me ni wo ko so poko na nya wurum na wo Roman for the Bejo Pokuara Tasika. If school year woman to we, Sir Louis. Down your room to me. And a month for less than 10 years, you know, a month for a sissy down, Satan Mombedia or Doom, no room, no biampe. What's a Roman for? What the upper to it? Biampe could be a near to
wrap up, Mamma. I'm Rassona, Mintio, Sakana, Lawyer Joyce, Mutari Bawa, Oberswara, happy, one also woman, a Kufa, oh, good animal. Akuba na kasa kura wonim se na busu akuo ba kuketua na unikuro na metime jinso atwan wo hia no abo echebi ho no omo akuro mo kura na wonya na di yo e busu akuo ba ku pe all right thank you Obake Francis is okay Obake mamenti o kakra na yenya ohwo kakra ofia Lawyer Joyce Muktari Bawa spokesperson for President Mahama. He just passed in so bechianti at least mamenti na fe the last 10 minutes me from an on your time and us
yo
Obake mamenti
me do see na ade ba ko me dese na me mame me nua ba Joyce Bawa Muktari abetra me nchen studio ha na on say eya nika se ade na say omoja omuno so called stronghold not to say ha no omoja no ama yen konko
Francis Mary kana sama
na we na ye party e dey say ha na be da wo fa ho be
na no so kana sama mari kai
we ni ngwa ne dey ya jai ko
dia sama kana
mo mapaja no nko no wo ni dia
kasa biti obayi ni microphone afi mamenti o
now okuja to abla kwa kasim bi atre wono ko voter ready no akoka kire o mu se asantefo no ma mo nto aba ne mo mo na wono aba santemam na wono aba ka kire asantefo se yen ne wo mo akasa se mo nto ma mo na mo mom de sabi o sabi min ka bibia nka ho bat mo nto ma yen ene ya ba kono pepepe asanteman enye nnena yesi sabi abo bia wu a opre enye nne no a NDC tena opposition for the next 30 years no na Nana Danko Akufo-Addo adwuma na waya mu nyina mu di ho adanse na na emi de se ebeduru baabi na utimi hu se ndisi fo ana o ma bobusia no nyina o mo di o mo ya kronfo ana o mo di afa uni mamenchia commissioner general Nana Danko Akufo-Addo woni ni na bedi akire yewura baumia ene
Francis let him wrap up Mami too.
Yeah, time no dey kakra ko bo toto ko ma odihie no. We can idea what's that now na so ya me ne be chere pepepe. Because no one cry.
But I can wrap up for me.
And enti emra yewura Akufo-Addo started say ye niema ye bosia na ya bo bebrebe na mpa o mo ka no. Ya mo anwenam no amana anka dompe. Your body commission 80 schools at a go. 80. A very powerful, beautiful edifices. Nya yakosi school asi enyuram na our won kotenam ye ni basa ye de beko ye ni kwan ya de nkwala beko akogum. Even that omo no cry blog a oka ho asem no 29 na omo no tukwa si wie no ye yetimi aba ye more than 30 ya ye de boarding aka ho ama nipa akodam a omo enjoy life. Now you see, finally, as Antima Mutia, Mr. Monidi, Madaruma, and this is 4 pa, almost secretary, and they are almost machinery. Everybody, radio stations, TV stations, a cana homo bona, homo opposition, almost a called Bromosia, a Shiatuoguno, Omo Baba Be. Na omo aside and fear me nu abewia chikano na omo wia de akofo ya na omo sa ko hwiegu ya Yewura Mills etimi pagya GDP growth mu ekoduru 14% in 2011 Yewura Mahama ne Mame Muktari edika ne share reverse na omo timi reverse true ni nyina to gu ya omo de ekotwe 3.4% back ede to sumu 5 years na omo wia ya omo sa de ekɔ share ayo mafase no Asante man and Ghana man yan tenasi biem mesra mo abrochefo am me fana wodi abrochefo munyina nyame ya adomu a obia friend fie wo class o town ka kire ho ma menua no obia sori fa abufuhie entoba empra ndc achi kra.
Thank you very much. Lawyer Jasmine Mutari, welcome. Now what to say?
Thank you. Nyami adomi hu ye boko na mi chiachi amu nyina.
Ye jo sopa.
Ye bedu Asante Man wiki na me say ye ni Asante Man de ye te ha sa na pepe ko chia me papa otumfo. Team sa Mahama ni team ni nyina be ko ho mu fi ho a ye MPs fo nyina e be hia e wo ha e wo Asante Man ya. Nti me say campaign ne de ye de ba fie. Na ne obeka bia wan kan yiwo wa kan yiwo me te Ghana ha ye wo me wo Ghana ha na me fitamale eco school o Cape Coast me nim se na kwan no tie nti Uncle Frank kan na yampa enye wura Jerry Rollins na kwan kura na ho se ye di fitamale e be fitechima odu Cape Coast eno yampa na me se wo fa ho free ho a kuma se na me wo so bia to mu se campaign no na politics enye party na ye ho asem enye wunua so na ye ho asem ni ehia ni se aban no abetena akonja no so emfaso ben no mudi ama oman yi conversation no ni ehia no na so be fi abrochi abeka kire wo se tribal politics ya idea ehia ya na ye wura osaji Nkrumah ecosisi secondary schools na ye nyina ye ko school boom na o kan assemble ma St. Louis ho asem ya pa me sister ko St. Louis na nyina ho nyina ye bush na ende agenda 111 no mo bo ho asem no ko hwe bebi esi uko upper east regional bongo agenda 11 any e-block no 10 minutes kwa wundu we say Afari hospital is shasem na ha na yes strong if you ho ye di kosi Kumasi airport phase 1 na e kufo na shase phase 1 phase 2 sikanu ko mo di phase 3 no sa sikanu ni ye secure down answer na John Mahama fee office na me see NDC ni mills they held down inflation for the longest time in the history of the Fourth Republic. Fact, single-digit inflation that never happened before. In any case, what are we talking about today? MPP at inflation of 54%. interest rates, the highest in the history of any government.
It's 22 now.
No, but let me say,
it's not lying.
So my brother,
he raised it. That is why I'm saying that 22% now.
Finish. No, it just came down to 22%.
That's what we are talking about now.
Ghana pumped in over 1 billion cedis, true or false?
Which is true.
And today, let me tell you something. When you see the snake in its dying embers, this is how it behaves. This is a typical example of a man who doesn't understand the time that is up. May say, Ashanti region is the 16th region we are visiting. There can be no doubt. For 3 days, I have not followed the campaign. I've been on a street tour here with my sisters and my friends here in this region. In 2016, I was one of the newest to the campaign. When I arrived here, I couldn't even go out in a campaign t-shirt. 10 years later, I am telling you, the game has changed. And the earlier the MPP realizes it, the better. You see, look, naivety is one thing. Ignorance another thing. But pretending that you cannot appreciate what is happening is a whole new ball game. Every road that was constructed here in the Fourth Republic, any major road from here to the Brown Afo, was done under an NDC administration. The Boankra Inland Port, that was the office I used to work in. I'm sure you've heard how much has been stolen from that project alone, and yet they have nothing to show. Let me state that, you see, there is hardship even here in Ashanti region. And the reason why there's so much hardship, food inflation, highest inflation rates, borrowing rates, interest rates, everything, is because of corruption. Check the Afrobarometer report. Corruption, if you're there, me say, I'm part of the na yenyi na yebo nkomo yenim say aban de e times change. Remember that in the last US election, New York City gave Trump the win. Never forget or underestimate the value of a home that has always been yours, but where maybe your level of appreciation was probably not as good as you wanted it to be. In this town, the NDC has had some amazing followers, top guys, top leaders, from our former First Lady right down. Mr. Mahama, we are very cosmopolitan. Send a year free in Kranza. In the NDC fund, we are a broad-based party. We are not a tribal party. We are not a religious party. We are not a short-sighted party. Me say, the largest party with the most broad-based appeal in Ghana is the National Democratic Congress. Research has shown it. Every part of the 16 regions, there's a green mark. Across, even in Ashanti, we have seats of parliament here. True or false? I am telling you that the game has changed.
24-hour service. No one can was in
the 20. Let me tell you that one of them, when you listen to me, do I sound like you? One of them, do I sound like you? Excellent. You can tell. I am a Ghanaian citizen who once was best for Ghana. Was best for Ghana. And when I speak, I don't speak to tribes, I don't speak to religion, I don't speak to faith. Don't worry.
Hello.
What have you brought?
Hello.
What have you brought?
Joyce, address me.
Let me
hello, address me now. Your time across when I'm wrapping up.
Mr. Mahama has promised one thing.
Hello, the microphone is off. Address me.
Agenda Ghana. He will create better jobs, prosperity for all. He will fight corruption, and certainly the reckless borrowing will be a thing of the past. At 740 billion and counting, we need a modest leader. A leader who will not spend our money on private jets. A leader who will not spend our money on unnecessary vehicles that are a waste of resources. In the peak of this campaign, a campaign that Bawumia knows he is going to lose, they are importing vehicles to come and add to the campaign, spending money. And let me tell you, please don't go there. Let me tell you that
finally
in this Ghana, let me speak to the people of Ashanti region. That John Mahama and the NDC have held faith with the good people of Ghana, including the Ashanti region. That the Ashanti region knows very well a party that will come and respect their votes. A party that will not run roughshod over them, and then when it's a few days to election, they've dug out Swami. They've dug out all the runabouts. Literally digging up the whole city and knowing very well. Don't worry, let me finish. In any case, who was the man holding the title of Commissioner General? It was John Dramani Mahama. And we're told that we don't eat infrastructure. My brother, we still don't eat infrastructure.
Okay.
Job creation to the 24-hour economy. Asante Man will benefit more.
Thank you very much.
Airport facilities, all the industries that are here, the livestock businesses, the agricultural businesses, they stand to benefit. Let me tell you, already Ashanti region has one characteristic that we don't talk about. You know that your city doesn't sleep.
Yeah.
From here all the way to Abuakwa and back, from Fomena everywhere. Look at the campaign. So remember that the $10 billion big push agenda will go to a private sector that has a large base here in the Ashanti region. Vote for John Mahama, vote for the NDC, vote for credibility, vote for truth, and be sure. Any attempt to vote for the MPP, my brother, is an attempt to give Akufo-Addo a third term.
Okay, yeah, you will see animal. Nah, yeah, that was it. Nah, yeah, told you, Medina. So, but I was for a China, Kawasem. Now, a China, no politician is coming. A China, Kawasem, a Ghana for a China, ye bia one to anopametrasia, Pemuka Krama, ye call region by region. The idea over Tuaba. Now I know Tuaba, a China, opinion pool, a China. So make a date. No politician here. We will take all of you. Mokasanyina. Yademusi Hanamo.
And I say, when you have to swore a sign, Sinti, and Cabani, to want to know Colorado phone chain be more. And your mommy, Qualitac Dental and Scan One Dancing Fanchel. One more quadri. Now, I've been so a denture therapy, root canal treatment, crown embrace, complete dentures, dental implants, cosmetic dentistry, orthodontist treatment, scan and X-ray service.